Hello and welcome to beautiful MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name is David Hoffman and we're going to do a walkthrough of our 315 Conquest. This boat is a 2019 and as you can see it comes in a beautiful platinum colored hull. We have twin 350s in white. As we move forward, as you can see, it's a great enclosure, weather enclosure, hardtop. We have the crank out sunshade for the cockpit area back here. This boat is also equipped with the Kenyan grill. It just folds away very easily. There's other drawers here as well. As you move onto the boat, we have a great aft bench seat here, along with a port seat that will come out here as well. Area below here in the floor is great for all the equipment that this boat has. Generator installed as well. Everything is easily accessible through here. Each side on the port and starboard we have the fish wells. Plenty of rod storage as well on this boat. As we make our way forward through the curtain, our boat is equipped with a refrigerator and a sink. This boat is equipped with the Marine 16-inch Axiom with the GPS and depth finder. MarineMax Vessel View. This boat is equipped with the joystick piloting with skyhook feature. This also is equipped with the cockpit air and heat. The control is right here. Great seating here for companions. And as we move down into the berth area, we have a microwave, sink, stove, refrigerator. We have a TV hanging on the wall. This converts to a berth here and also a berth area back in here. This does have a full head and shower. And as we make our way back out, and we look through the glass forward, we do have our windlass electric. And this is our 2019 315 Boston Whaler Conquest. If you'd like to see this boat or any other, just come in and ask for me, David Hoffman. Love to show you around.